Okay, we live. Morning, everyone joining us. Let me get this situated, okay? And let's see if hello, thank you for joining. We're gonna start painting in 1 second. Just trying to get my canvas. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. We're going to paint something big. Well, I consider it too big enough. It's 15 by 30 inches, and it is our gallery wrapped canvas, thick one. And as always, I put the masking tape on the bottom, so our sides will stay, or actually underneath the canvas will stay nice and clean. Good morning, everyone. So I'm trying to get this one straight enough so you can see. And so what I was thinking to do today, I paint something similar to this painting. This is a painting I done, I don't know, half a year ago. I absolutely love it. It's 2 negative space, black and white. And in between you have your gold and silver, and then you have all of these colors combining and fighting, and I love it. Everybody like it, so I'm thinking let's make similar. Let's make another one. Maybe not exactly the same, but something similar to that. So I got my colors. Here's my gold. Here's my silver. Bunch of black and bunch of white. I do put silicone in my silver and gold. And tell you the truth, I don't think I put silicone in my gold just yet. So I'm gonna do it now. I use this 3-in-1 silicone. I like it. For me, it does make nice cells. So let's put it in. I'm just gonna mix it just a tiny bit. That's it. And I believe silver one already has it, so I'm not gonna put too much. Yeah, I think it had it already. I just mixed my gold, but silver was mixed already, probably from the last time. I'm actually gonna put my gloves today because I need my hands to be clean, and the black color gets under my nails and stays there forever and a day. So I usually don't paint in gloves, but today I will. So let's start. I'm actually gonna paint the black here and white here, so it's gonna be upside down for you guys, but that's it. Let's start. Here's my white, bunch of white, lots of white. All right, I'm gonna work with my white first and spread it everywhere. Don't forget your corners, don't forget your corners. You need them to be covered in your paint too. And oh yeah, by the way, the other painting I showed you guys is resin. So I prefer painting with acrylics and then come back in resin. It's a different look, really truly, than using your pigments in resin. Okay, so here we are. That's my white. I'm gonna wipe my hands because I don't want to contaminate my black color with white right now. All right, trying to wipe it well enough. And hello for joining. Thank you for joining, and hello, good morning everybody. I'm sorry I'm not watching my phone. And guys, if you do have questions, please PM me, contact me, because I'm not answering questions right now as I don't see my phone. And here's my black color, my second negative space, you want to call it. And let me make sure I'm recording actually. Yes, I am. Because I want to post it on my YouTube account. I created my YouTube account probably a month ago, so maybe more, probably more already. Time goes by so fast. So I am trying to record my paintings so I can share it with you. You can come back and look at it again. Alright, so here's my black. Here's my black and white. And the black and white always gives you such a beautiful combination. Okay. And now I'll put my gold and silver in between. Alright. And remember, I did say I put silicone in my gold and silvers. Silver goes very well with white, and gold goes very well with black color. So what I'm going to do right now is use my palette knife, and I'm going to start spreading it around. Here we go. Using my black and white, I'm going to give this beautiful kind of a flaming effect, I would say. And remember that even though I'm trying to repeat what I did before or did something similar, this kind of art is extremely, extremely difficult to actually make to the same. Right? So let's see. I'm going to go black, black, and white. Combine it, give those beautiful flamey looking effects. Let's see. And so this is beautiful already. Let's see if we can put a little bit silver here. I want a combination of silver with white. And let's pull the white on top of silver. Okay, and more, okay, let's see, and I'll pull this black farther into my white, because I kind of want to have it as a triangular effect, right? More white on this side, more on black on the other side. And again, this does not really look the same any longer. It's different, very different, different cells, everything different. In the other painting, my silver was very much mixed with white. In this painting, I don't see it. And where's my gold? Some gold here. Actually, maybe I should not touch it. Alright, so I'll put a little bit more white here. I'll clean this one a little bit later. There are some touches of the black. I'll clean that. But first, I want my design to work. I want my design to work and have this combination. Some of this I wanted to have some grayish and silverish colors in between. Okay. And how about this guy? Okay. All right. with light. Sorry, I didn't mean to whisper, but I tend I tend to either not breathe when I paint, or basically it's takes my breath away, my paint. All right, so let's see. I want this, so let's drop it here. Okay, this, I want to make it nice and clean. And this guy, okay, this will work. Oh, okay. Now, this is not going to be exactly the same as my other painting, but what do you think about adding some air pump or compressor to a painting? Oh, I like this. I absolutely love what's going on right here. Love it. But let's see if we can use our compressor to make this one a little bit different effects. Before I do that, let me torch it and get those bubbles out. All of those little cells. Sometimes when you torch it, you just get too many little cells. Sometimes I like this effect, sometimes I don't, but we'll see. All right, so let me use a compressor. It will be a little bit loud, and I apologize for that, but let's try that. Let's turn it on. Sorry guys for the noise. Let's see. So this is my silver coming out. This is I think this is just black coming out from underneath. So how do we like it or we don't like it? Let's see. Not bad. All right. Oh, here's my gold. Gold underneath. All right. Okay. That's interesting. I feel like we need a little bit more here of maybe gold. Let's put a little bit gold. I don't want to mess up this part. I think it's just gorgeous the way it turned out to be right there. But I want a little bit of color here. And remember, the gold color is absolutely gorgeous. It's actually when it dries, it will be nice and shiny in the light. So I do want to keep my gold here. Totally different than the other one. See, told you, never can get exactly the same effects as you tried before. How about silver? Right here. Alright, and this is air pump I'm using. My husband got me this early Christmas present, a compressor. It's a very small compressor, it's very cute. But it does make noise anyway. Alright, let's see. Do we like this? I think it is cute. Alright. Interesting. This effect is different than this effect, so get rid of this dirty. There's a couple of those smudges of the silver. I don't need them here. I'm just gonna try to blow those cells a little bit bigger. All right, this is pretty. It's pretty. Just extend them a little bit more. Awesome. Okay. All right. And I absolutely love to see the drips of all of this paint. So pretty. All right, let me put away the... Oh, so one thing, got some drip of just junk. All right, I think we're basically done here. Just want to add a little bit of black in the middle, right here. Give those weird effects, you know, here and there. That's not bad. And maybe here. And give us some cells. I like it. Don't want to mess it up. Quite often, if I work on it too much, I'll mess it up. So I'm afraid to touch it. Don't mess up something that's nice. All right. The gold and silver had silicone, so it's gonna form cells for us. So when you pull the white and black over your gold or silver or any color with the silicone, you should see beautiful effects. Okay, I like this gold here. Okay, I think we're good. Let's just torch it one more time. Bring out all of those bubbles right here. And I think we're good. We're gonna let it dry, and as it dries, some colors will come up, some colors will go down. Usually white will go down because it is our heavy color. And hopefully it's not going to change a whole lot, but and stays as it is, rather beautiful. And it is I absolutely love to do those you know, classic combinations, and that's what it is. Your gold, silver, black and white. Very classic, very classic. All right, I better stop before I mess it up completely. Tell myself so many times. Yeah, what I did, I put more white to cover some of those, if you don't see, some of those spills from the color when we were moving it. Just creating a little bit flamey effects of silver combining with white. Very beautiful. Okay. Well, thank you very much for joining, and I'll post online how it looks whenever it dries. And thank you for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Goodbye.